Here's a quick video on the replacement of the clean-cut blade. Unscrew the 4mm Allen head screws and disassemble. Starting with the smaller blocks, the sharp edge of the blade should face the rounded side of the block. Using the alignment tab, sandwich the blade between the two blocks. Insert the smaller screw and tighten. Repeat the same process with the bigger blocks, using the longer screw. Replacement blades are available with all clean-cut products. Just click the link below to one of our distributors. Thanks for watching.